You're the man. You're gonna follow Seattle after maybe a year and a half. I give him a year and a half to give in.
You tell me the truth.
I tell you the truth, man. If he's worthy to do all these things, it's a big mess. The floor.
Walang mga walang certificate.
Ano po yun?
Sing along, Greenwood. I'm coming home. Son. Thank you, man.
If you will see my letters, I should be free. Then you know just what to do. If you still want me, if you still want me, oh, tie a yellow ribbon round the old
tree.
Who's good in long years? Do you still want me?
All right.
The river on the old tree. I say on the bus, forget about us. Put the blame on me if I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old tree.
Tinatanong ko din.
Driver, please look for me. 'Cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see. I'm really still in prison. My lady, she holds the key. Simple yellow ribbons for I need to set me free. I run and Tokyo, please. Oh, tie a yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's been 3 long years to just want me. If I don't see a ribbon,
Thank you, man.
I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on him. If I don't see a
Nakaharap ako.
ribbon around
Saan ako?
the old
Saan ako nasigilid ako eh? Saan ba siya? Saan siya? Sige.
Now the whole damn bus is cheering, and I can't believe I see. Oops, 100 yellow ribbons round the old tree. Is that it? That's right.
Sige na, parang may sumayaw. That's true. Kasi siya sa lang. Hindi ko alam siya.
may light doon. Baga dyan, i-ano niya, parang i-minimize na yung ano, glare sa ano mo, dito.
Try niyo yun, black and tan. Sa baba ka naman ito, sa beer, best of Guinness. Sa solo naman ng Guinness, hindi kagad sila na so pag nakita mo, Guinness sa isang beer nito. Black and tan. Sa baba, hanamot ako yung camera Mexico bro.
Pakita mo yung diferensya. Pag i-off mo yan, magka-dark siya. O pag i-on mo yan, mag-bright siya, mag-bright. Pwede yan sa night vision.
Sa lens yun, sa lens.
Oo, sa lens. Parang, ano rin, parang pagkuha mo, kumbaga,
Sumasakit ang mga matray.
Hindi ka naman
Napasok-pasok sa mga
ano.
Kasi uminom na ako na lolo, sumasakit pa.
Basta magmamadalo ka, ano.
hindi, matanda na eh.
Matanda.
Wala, nakabuso lang kasi kaya katandaan ko.
Hindi, matanda na. Hindi na daw, dyan.
Eh, kasi tinigilan ko eh.
Dyan.
Pero kung ko tinigilan yan,
Hindi na daw gumaganon eh. Hindi na gumaganon eh.
ay, hindi
Ganun na oh. Ganun na oh.
Hindi ganun pa rin na. Yung mga ng tuwalya eh. Sabihin mo ng tuwalya eh.
Bullshit! Kahit mo lang yan, maliwala sa'yo.
Buni-buni na lang.